Namaskar. I myself, Dr. Mahib Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Botany from Mahant Avaidnath Government Degree College, Jungle Kodia, Gorakhpur. I am going to present here the vegetative and reproductive structure of nostoc. So let's begin. This is the systematic position of nostoc. It categorized under the class Cyanophyceae, order Nostocales, family in Nostocaceae. It is occurs in freshwater as well as terrestrial habitat. Here are some important species of Nostoc. Nostoc commune, a terrestrial species of alpine region. Nostoc punctiforme is the endophytic found symbiotic in coralline root of the cycas and thallus of the Anthoceros. Nostoc speciarum and Nostoc colema from lichen with algae. With fungi. It has very simple thallus structure. The vegetative body of nostoc is composed of aggregation of many cell in row of trichome. You can see the row of trichome, and these are the vegetative cell. They are connected one to another, and this vegetative cell transform into various type of structure at the time of reproduction. So the cell structure is spherical or round, exhibit typical cyanophycean cell structure. We know that a cyanobacteria or the cyanophycean member contain the cyanophycean protein granules and cyanophycean starch. It has a prokaryotic cell structure. So come to the topic, that is the reproduction. Reproduction in nostoc is only vegetative. Sexual reproduction is completely absent. So vegetative reproduction takes place by various means like fragmentation. Here, the filament fragmented into many parts, and each fragment gives rise to a new thallus. Harmogonia. By harmogonia, this trichome break into small segments due to the degradation of the intercalary vegetative cell or because of the presence of intercalary heterocyst. Multicellular fragmentation so found are called harmogonia. This you can see the structure of this harmogonia. There are the many small rounded cells with the gelatinous sheath. Echinate is a very common method for the uh, reproduction in the nostoc. Here, any vegetative cell form the triple layer of echinate, and when it detaches from the main filament, it germinates into favorable condition to form the new trichome. Heterocyst, with the help of heterocyst in some species like Nostocommune commune, heterocyst act as the resting spore on the favorable condition. It form the new colony or the new thallus structure, no new filament structure. Endospore is also found in the some species of nostoc, Nostocommune and Nostoc microscopium. So fusion of filament, it is a very rare sexual reproduction occurs in nostoc species like Nostoc muscorum. We can say it is called the anastomosis. That is the fusion between the same trichome or different trichome of same species is called anastomosis. So this is my small topic. Thank you very much.